Good morning, scholars. Today is a terrific Tuesday. It is April the 21st, 2020. It's been a long time since I've seen you. And yes, my hair fell off last night. You see how it does that all the time. But I want to make sure today we're having a wonderful day, and let's get off with a great start. Okay? So let's get our number corner going. You ready? By ones, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Whew. All right. By tens, ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right. By fives, ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, by twos, ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Now, parents, when they're doing that part, watch them because they like to go really fast and maybe skip 10 or 20 of them. So make sure they're doing it the right way. All right. If they're going super fast, slow them down. All right. Now it's time for doubles. Get your fingers ready. Ready, go. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. 10 plus 10 is 20. 11 plus 11 is 22. 12 plus 12 is 24. 13 plus 13 is 26. 14 plus 14 is 28. 15 plus 15 is 30. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, 12 months of the year, get those hands ready. There's January, there's February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the 12 months in the year. And slam. All right, guys. So now let's turn to the door and let's look at our problems today. All right. Remember, I can find and identify the unknown parts. Okay. In word problems. Okay. I can identify the unknowns in all positions in word problems, okay? So that means we're going to be trying to find the unknown parts. That's sometimes tricky. It is. Sometimes we make mistakes and we add for subtraction. So we're going to look at that today. Let's all look at the chart that I have right here for you. All right, let's get ready. We have, yesterday, this was our problem. And yesterday, the problem stated that Walter had 8 crayons. Elizabeth had 8 crayons, but she had 4 more. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. How they did this is they knew that she had to get more, so they drew a little box. And then you could draw the 4 in here to make 8 plus 4 makes 12. Or they knew there was 12 in all because they said Elizabeth wrote 12. How many more does she write? Well, they knew this had to be 12, so they counted on 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so now let's move on to here. Brandon solved 6 math problems. Okay, Alexandra solved 4 more problems than Brandon? How many problems did Alexandra solve? Remember, we have to make sure we read it twice. Brandon solved 6 math problems. Alexander solved 4 more problems than Brandon. How many problems did Alexander solve? Well, we're going to work this one out together today, and then we'll do some on your own. It said Brandon solved how many problems? 6. Very good. I'm going to underline that 6. Alexander solved 4 more. So we're going to put a line under the more, because usually when you hear that word more, what does it mean you're going to do? Turn and talk. Come back in 3, 2, 1. Very good. I heard a lot of classmates talk about more means to add. It does mean to add, especially when you have 4 more than. I like to catch that word than, because when you hear that word than, when you have more, it's telling you more than needs to what? Add. Okay, let's see. So Brandon has 6, so I'm going to draw 6 circles. And I'm going to put a box around that. Remember, I like to go back in here and I like to label my things just to make sure I have the right numbers. Okay? So I have 6. And I'm going to label that because I know that's Brandon's. It said Alexander solved 4 more. Well, that means she already had the same amount as Brandon. So we're going to draw another box. We're going to label that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to label that 2. We're going to label this A for Alexander. So what can we draw to help us understand that we have 4 more than Brandon? Turn and talk. Great. I heard we could draw another rectangle box. And that would represent the 4 more. So let's go ahead and draw 4 more in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what do? We label them. 1. We can go ahead and continue. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. So we know the whole amount is 10 for Alexandra. So how many more problems did Alexander solve? Well, we know she solved 4 more. Because we can have 10 minus 6 equals the 4 right here. That's how many more she solved. If you are up for the challenge, how many did they solve in all? How many did Brandon and Alexandra solve in all? You could pause it if you like. Come back at 8-minute mark. Together they solved not 10. That's a good try. You wrote 6 plus 4. Remember, she had 4 more, so now it's 10 plus 6 makes 16. Very good. All right, let's go to some more problems. All right, so now we have Mariah found 12 ladybugs. How many did Mariah find? Good job, 12 ladybugs. Let's read on. James found 4 fewer ladybugs than Mariah. How many ladybugs did James find? Good, let's look at this. Let's read it again. Mariah found 12 ladybugs. James found 4 fewer ladybugs than Mariah. How many ladybugs did James find? Sorry, I have 2 new puppies at home. I apologize. Mariah found 12 ladybugs. James found 4 fewer ladybugs than Mariah. How many ladybugs did James find? All right, so let's underline our 12 and our 4. Is there anything that would help us tell us if we're adding or subtraction in this video? Get ready to turn and talk in 3, 2, 1. Turn, share. Very good. Somebody said fewer than. What does fewer than mean? Turn and talk to your partner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Fewer means to subtract. Very good. So Mariah found how many ladybugs? 12. Let's go ahead and draw that one. All right, I'm going to put that in a box. We know there's 12 here. It said James found 4 fewer ladybugs than Mariah. So what could we do to this box? We could cross out. Awesome job. So let's cross out how many? 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ladybugs did James find? What do we need to do? We need to count the ones that aren't crossed out. Very good. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go back and label those so you can see them anytime you need them. Okay, so what number sentence can we write? We have our total and we have a part, correct? So when you have a total and a part, what is an easy strategy you can do? Always. Yeah, you can take 12 minus 4 equals 8. Very good. Or you could have added. Okay, you can do 4 plus 8 makes 12. Very good. All right, so now we're going to do 3 on your own, and I'm going to read them to you. This is going to be your classwork and your homework, okay? So get ready. Get a piece of paper, pause it if you need to, come back when you're ready. All right, welcome back. Elizabeth used 11 blocks to build a house. How many blocks did she use? Good, 11. Did Torin use 5 more blocks than Elizabeth? How many did Torin use? 5. Oh, what's the key word? 5 more. And what does more mean to do? Good job. How many blocks did Torin use? Pause the video and work it. Welcome back, everybody. So this is what I saw when I walked around the classroom. Elizabeth used 11 blocks to build a house. So I saw somebody do this. 11. And they put a line right here. And they labeled it Elizabeth. It says Torin used 5 more blocks than Elizabeth. So we know Torin had the same amount. So $11. Very good. And you said he had 5 more. So somebody drew a box over here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they added this 12 plus 5. And they counted it up and it made 17. Very good. All right. Awesome job. Let's look at our next sheet. Samira caught 10 fewer fish than Matthew. Matthew caught 16 fish. How many fish did Samira catch? Samira caught 10 fewer fish than Matthew. Matthew caught 16 fish. How many fish did Samira catch? So work it out. When you're done, I want to see you submit this to me so I can double check your answer. All right, the last one. Kingston found 9 flowers in the garden. How many did he find in the garden? Very good, he found 9. Aaron found 12 flowers. Wow. How many did Aaron find? 12. How many more flowers did Aaron find than Kingston? All right, let's read it again. Kingston found 9 flowers in the garden. Aaron found 12 flowers. How many more flowers did Aaron find than Kingston? Pause your video and work these problems. When you're done, submit them. All right, welcome back. So once you've worked these should be your answers. Let's look up here. Samira caught 10 fewer fish than Matthew. So I'm going to underline 10 fewer. Matthew caught 16. Well, we know he caught 16. So let's go ahead and draw Matthew 16. All right, there's 16. She caught 10 fewer. So let's cross out 10. How many more fish did Matthew catch than Samir? How many fish did Samir catch? So we know that Matthew caught 16, so this was Matthew's. And she caught 10 less, so we know it's 16 minus 10 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And write me a statement, okay? Down here, Kingston found 9 flowers in the garden. Let's go ahead and draw 9. Caught 9 flowers in the garden, and we're going to label it Kingston. All right, Aaron found 12 flowers. Let's draw 12. All right, and we're going to put this down as Aaron. How many more flowers did Aaron find than Kingston? How many is outside Aaron's box? 3. Very good. So she caught 3 more flowers or pig. Okay? Awesome job, guys. I want to say thank you for all coming to our lessons every day and doing your work and submitting them online. I have a lot of shout outs. James, Elizabeth, Samira, Matthew. They get on every day and take a picture of their work and submit it. There's a lot of you that's been getting on Dojo. I would like for more people, so if you know your classmates and you know their number and they're not getting online, please text them, tell them, hey, look, I'm almost done with my Learning Odyssey. You might want to get on and help out so you can be super smart next year too, okay? All right, so I hope I'll see you all later, and have a wonderful day. And remember, Thursday is our Zoom meeting. I will have that $5 gift card to see who is coming on, and hopefully we can see each other and chat and have a lunch at noon on Thursday. Remember, tell your mom at noon on Thursday, and I will send out the link later today. All right, I'll see y'all later, guys, and have a wonderful Tuesday.